Yes, people, welcome to a review about Acumatica. And in this review, we collect some pros and some cons of users who worked with the software, and we're gonna tell it to you to get a better understanding what's going wrong and what's going right with this software. And you can make a choice if you want to use this software, if you're adopting between two softwares. So here we go. And in the dynamic landscape of enterprise resource planning ERP systems, Acumatica stands out as a cloud-based solution designed to cater to the diverse needs of businesses, ranging from small and mid-sized enterprises to large corporations experiencing rapid growth. This review aims to provide an in-depth exploration of Acumatica's feature strength and potential drawbacks, and we told you that already. Well, first the pros, then the cons, and then we have a little conclusion for you guys. Tailored for growth is the first pro. Acumatica is tailored for businesses on the growth trajectory. Its scalable nature ensures that the system can adapt to the evolving needs of expanding enterprise, making it an ideal choice for dynamic and ambitious organizations. Well, the modular architecture of Acumatica is a standout feature, allowing users to license only the specific modules they need. The flexibility not only streamlines the implementation process, but also enables businesses to add more modules as they grow, ensuring a customizable and scalable solution. Industry specification additions. Acumatica offers 5 industry-specific additions: general businesses, distribution, manufacturing, retail commerce, and construction. This industry-focused approach allows businesses to choose an addition that aligns closely with their sector, providing a tailored and optimized ERP experience. Robust APIs for integration. The inclusion of robust APIs facilitates rapid integration with other systems and applications. This enhances the overall functionality of Acumatica and ensures seamless collaboration with the existing tools, making it a versatile and interoperable ERP solution. Well, future-proof and AI-enabled. Acumatica positions itself as a future-proof solution with AI-enabled capabilities. This forward-looking approach indicates a commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements, providing users with tools that evolve alongside the industry. Supports remote and in-field collaboration. The cloud-based nature of Acumatica fosters flexibility and mobility. It supports remote work and in-field collaboration, promoting a connected and agile workforce. This is particularly valuable in the current landscape where remote work has become integral to business operations. Well, there are some cons of this Acumatica system and software. The first con is cloud-only deployment. Acumatica's deployment is exclusively cloud-based, which may pose a limitation for businesses with specific requirements, of course. Organizations that prioritize on solutions may find this aspect restrictive. So that's something to take in consideration. The second con is pricing transparency challenges. Well, pricing information is not available for the public. This lack of transparency can be a drawback for businesses seeking clarity on cost before committing to an ERP solution. Limited trial options. Acumatica does not offer a free version or a trial, potentially limiting prospective users' ability to explore the system features and functionality before making a financial commitment. Well, then now the conclusion. Acumatica emerged as a versatile and growth-focused ERP solution, well suited for businesses of varying sizes and industries. Its modular architecture, industry-specific additions, robust APIs, and forward-looking AI capabilities, making it a compelling choice for organizations on the path of expansion. However, potential users should carefully consider factors such as exclusive cloud deployment, pricing transparency challenges, and limited trail options to determine if Acumatica aligns with the specific business requirements. So, hope you find this review helpful. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.